You freaking grabbed him
Guys,
like
we
if it was
found
a toy.
a cricket phone sensor.
What the fuck?
I can't believe we found a baby
Yeah, we
bird.
found a baby bird
And it's what are those?
right there.
Here's the bird.
What's the name?
We'll name it Humpty Dumpty.
Wow.
Because its stomach is like bulging.
That's like my pet. It's like my pet chicken.
Who wants to keep
His
it?
name
Nah,
was
me.
No, we're not going to keep it.
Look at his stomach.
Record his head. Look what he has on it.
Don't push that in.
You got
That's
something
its
in your head.
ribs.
Dude.
Wait, Sam, Marcos, you got something in your head. Don't move. It won't hurt
No,
at all.
no.
Marcos, don't move. It won't hurt at all. Ready?
Right. Let me make
3,
some more
2.
food.
You do.
He just get knocked out.
I'm making more food.
Hey guys,
Wait.
you guys want to see shovel versus chicken?
Wait,
Boom, boom, boom.
He
it
wants
didn't even get on the camera.
A
Want
bird.
food?
I'm gonna go bring my phone. Hold on, hold back.
It fell from its nest. I gave it like
Oh my
a piece
gosh.
like that.
I don't think he'll eat it. I think he's not hungry anymore.
He
He
is.
just wants his mommy.
I want milk from my mommy. But that's what she's saying. I made him rolled over.
The
Who
heck?
wants? Just take him inside.
No!
Let's look for food.
One more worm.
Yeah.
We ran out of worm.
We need like 2 more.
Dude, this is choking him.
Just take it out and I'll go look for more worms.
Get the shovel and flip over more rocks.
Oh my gosh.
Remember? Over here. Come on, Marcos, I need your help.
Yeah, you record it. We'll get more food.
Dude. Come here. Oh.